ain't tired. All you do is sleep. Every strike in there, sleep. Sleep. You don't know if you do nothing else. You can't go clean up on that back of yard. Some bush around there and chop down. Some goat there somewhere going tired. You can't go do that. All you know if you do a freaking eat up, man. That's how you do sleep. Eat your damn crop. Look on you.
I'm a boss. Bitch, I'm a boss.
Baby, I don't want a rich man. That's my own place. About car.
My girl, go where you go. I lie the boy I tell about the own house and own car. The only key my push are the key for the corned beef tin. Youth, you try overtake the wrong time. Stay in your lane. My girl, keep your wet pum pum over there, so. Them boy your bank account desert dry. Wet pum pum and desert dry bank account no mix. A broke boy, them my girl. You have big waist man, you know. For 9:30 the boss tell you so you should have done work. And at 1 o'clock now when you're there talking and chat. I sound of love tell lie and fool the people them girl picnic.
Some more time you chat too much though.
Come back my work. No, you wait till the boss come home, man. No, lick me the Ras. And you know about insurance.
You know if anything can fix this? Yeah man, you can use the duct tape. You take me for fool, eh? Duct tape have to tape up duct. This look like duct to you. Duct tape have to tape up duct. This look like duct to you. Tape up duct. Duct tape have to tape up duct.
Google, do fishes have legs?
Yeah man. Them all have feather too. Yeah man. Feather and beak and everything.
Google, where in the USA is America?
Alright, let me see that now. Alright, today, round one place, over one part, back of one fence, under one shed. In here, woman! Alright, a joke. You in Canada. Yeah man, Canada right.
What is the color of a black cat?
You really don't know that? Purple.
Can I build a house without walls?
Look like a fear head with neck without a brain.
Google, can I eat my own poop?
Alright, you ready? You get 2 slices of bread, see? And you have to spread like a... Take your hands off on the internet with your bumbuckler fool self. No man, I ain't that man. Breaking point. Ask me how can I... Why you don't eat your own shit? You're sick! You're sick! Can I have some extra sauce?
That will be $20 more, sir.
So I have to pay for extra sauce?
Yes, sir.
All the fucking money I spent, I have to pay for fucking extra sauce, man?
Sir, you know what, never mind. Here's some extra sauce.
Shit! Can I have some extra sauce?
That will be $20 more, sir.
So I have to pay for extra...
$30 more for the sauce, sir.
What do you mean?
$40 more for the sauce.
But you just said $30?
$70 more for the sauce.
I don't want the sauce.
$100 more for the
I
sauce.
said I don't want any sauce. Are you deaf? Are you fucking stupid, man?
You know, blood clot, man.
Are you just hit me? Slap in your face again, too.
Yeah. Why them call it orange even when it's still green? Silent night, holy night. We no have no turkey, so I'm mackerel tonight. When you see me on Instagram, I kill them with this swag pose. It's either barrel come from foreign, or a downtown me buy me clothes. I don't need a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. The government feel legalize ganja, cause me want plant some weed seed. Dashing through the bush when my mother I run down me, and if me ever get catch, A pair of slick for me. On the first day of Christmas, me did so hungry. Me would have yam 5 common fowl, 4 blackbird, 3 bad plate, 2 ground dove, and the John Crow in a the pear tree.
But man, you can't go to do just so. You have to put on jacket and gloves, dog. 4 degrees below zero in the bed, you know what you do?
Pass me a go.
But man, me send a
Big
God,
sun
yes,
shine
sir.
and I come talk about below freezing weather.
No must say I eat it. Okay, so now like... Shit. Come and help me. Me tear a load. Me freeze.
Oh, come, Molly bleachers, are you hideous creatures? Me have Nadinola for your skin lightning. If your skin needs some bright, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. My broke and no money. Back up! The common fowl them sing, telling me them ready for the roasting. Curry or stew, fry or boil, yum everything, no make none spoil. Oh, rice and gungo peas. Woo! I can smell the fruit cake bacon. Oh, Jesus, oh God.
Just look on it there and say fragile mark on it. Yo, me call you back. What?
There, man. So, you can't let me get to my aisle.
Which aisle?
Aisle, bad man.
You never did a talk on the aisle still.
You know, some man like you are real pums do that. Because we just hear on the phone that talk about the fragile dog. Me hear on the phone that talk about the fragile dog. You know, so me can't use any aisle because me have high cholesterol aisle.
But then,
You can't let me get to my fragile. Run, man, for run upon your people. Don't move for someone on the heel no more. You tell people like, lick man, lick you on your feet. But then, I'm not even worried about food me I go cooking on it. No food me I juke and juke out the face in the dog. Go on, yeah. You eat that boy, I come talk here. I just some aisle in the dog.
yeah man, just give me them there. How much?
Well, 99 to take care. Yes, we do.
Alright. Try it again, man.
It no good. I cut. What? Cut. I cut. It no good. Cut what? Yeah, I'm say try it again. The money probably not even reach over. Just try it again. No. It no good. I cut. No good. I cut. Look at a big frog. Cut me can and me call immigration. Look here, Shabbat no ranks. I got my green cards, you mother bitch. I am an America. Which part are you American? I am an America. Saddam Shitstein. Which part are you American? I am an America. Me just come over here on a visa last week. I'm a more American than you. God, no good. I cut. Don't cut me card. Access plus multi-link. I cut. Yo, don't cut me card. I cut. Yeah, man, look at you, that boy over there, so I come this way. I've been fragging. Yeah, man, the same man part 83. I cut. The boy, I call him friend. I cut. Alright, watch over.
Keep doing this.
So, who in the class can use the word Yahoo in a sentence? Me, sir. Me, sir. Go ahead. So, sir, I was at home on the computer and somebody knocked at the door. So, when I go to the door, sir, I see a man and I open the door and the man say, "Can I speak to your mother?" I'm shut up. "Mommy, somebody come to you." And she say, "Where the person name?" And me turn around and me look on the man and say, "Sir, Yahoo?"
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Who in the class can use the word wheelchair in a sentence? Me, sir. Please, go ahead. Sir, last week my brother went to church. And when we reached the church, the usher said, "We only have one seat left, and he can only give it to one of us." And we look for the usher and say, "That's okay. Wheelchair."
But I'm just a soul whose intentions
She wants the D, but can you get it to RISE? Millions of men across the world suffer from erectile dysfunction. Are you one of them? Worry no more. Introducing Quick Stiff, the only cure for erectile dysfunction. Just 2 to 8 pills, 30 minutes before that special moment, and Quick Stiff will make you stiff quick.
Do not take Quick Stiff while driving, running, walking, sleeping, breathing, jumping, skipping, or doing anything at all. 4 in 4 men have reported that Quick Stiff does not make them stiff quick. They have been quoted as saying that this shit does not work. Side effects include watery eyes, dry mouth, headache, backache, diarrhea, torn Achilles, bleeding eye, semen coming from your nostril, watery dick, dry dick, sprain toe, arthritis, semen sweat, heart attack, stroke, dick stroke, uncontrollable masturbation, paper cut, erectile dysfunction, severe erectile dysfunction, dick falling off, and death. If any of these side effects occur, drink some bush tea and seek medical advice immediately.
With Quick Stiff, saying goodbye to erectile dysfunction will not be as hard as your dick is.
What is it, Kevin?
I like you.
I like you too.
No, not like that. I love you. I am in love with you. I want to be your man. I want to marry you.
Oh my God, Kevin. No,
No. What do you mean, no?
we're just friends. This
Don't say
can't
that.
happen. But we are just friends, Kevin. It can't happen.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
We are just friends. Just friends. Understand?
no.
Just
Don't say
understand.
that.
As a
Don't
matter
say
of
that.
fact, you're my gay best friend. You're my gay best friend. As a matter of fact, you're my gay best friend. Gay best friend. You're my gay best friend. As a matter of fact, gay best friend.
That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy, Clark. Peace.